Annyeonghaseyo. So you all know I'm very crazy about the K dramas. So these are the three K dramas which I can watch. I can rewatch it n number of times. The first one is this one, King the Land. It is about the hotel hair who does not like fake smiles and everything. He's very serious type of a man, and the female lead Yuna. She is she's very charming, very pleasing to people. She's always smiling. So both of them starting never liked as usual, but then when they fell for each other, amazing chemistry. Well, each episodes will give you butterfly in your stomach, and when the song "Confess to You" plays, that's it. I don't have any words to say. Second is business proposal. So the plot is about the CEO go for a blind date for the marriage, and fake blind date, chaotic, emotional, funny, but a wonderful drama. When the CEO falls in love with the female lead, it's amazing. And the best thing, the best scene which I like the most in this drama is the when this male lead takes out his card and says, "Ki baby, do you know what is the resemblance between my love and this card? They both are limitless." Wonderful. I feel ki someone should be there like this. Just say like that. Third is this one, Lovely Runner. Everyone loves it, everyone. So I feel Sunjay character has been famous by Imsol, because so many times she is told Sunjay in such a intensely and in such a wonderful way that anyone can fall for that character. So the plot is about a fan, Imsol. She falls in love with a singer, and she wants to somehow protect that singer from his death, and she time travels back, and how they fell for each other and everything. It's about that. But the chemistry, the intensity between both the leads is wonderful. And I will tell you one thing, that Yellow Umbrella, I myself have bought it, and I used it so many times that it has broken now. So you can imagine how crazy I am for this drama. So my suggestion are these three dramas. You go watch and tell me which one do you like the most.